Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Our intensifying of worship should start before we earn blame, aka the onset of puberty with sanity and not early puberty disorder. When government overwhelms, divinity sends. The body is only a vehicle and not to be attached to for itself. Manifest the opulence of the renounced order of life in yourself. Try to engage in duties beyond attachment to the duties are results. All existence is because of the all-maintaining blue skin, yellow clothes, and eternal youth. Symbolic adornments and flower eyes and spiritual vehicles are for the inhabitants of the highest heaven. Pseudo-mystics are not doing it in God realization and divine service. Penance is to unite with a divine quality. Deity is beyond time, space, and matter, but is so engaged we need to work on aligning our parts towards being as shining ones, manifesting divine qualities. So awaken those devatas, right? There can be a uniting of the world under one flag. The sent examples are to enable pure devotional service, a consciousness of all-pervading monotheism is enough. The divine is all supreme and worthy to be worshipped by all and independent at the same time. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yellow, blue, red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The potency of the all-attractive, the source of pleasure.